Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 Misc on TurboTax. First, ensure you have all your necessary documents, including your Form 1099 Misc. Then, log into your TurboTax account. If you don't have one, it's quick to set up. Once logged in, locate the Wages and Income section, which is typically found in the Federal Taxes tab. This is where we'll start entering your information. Next, you'll need to tell TurboTax you're filing a Form 1099 Misc. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type 1099 Misc. Select the appropriate option to begin entering your form details. You'll then be prompted to input the payer's name and tax identification number. Crucially, enter the non-employee compensation amount from box 7 of your form. After entering your income, TurboTax will ask about any related business expenses. This is a vital step to lower your taxable income. Think about costs like office supplies, home office deductions, or professional development. TurboTax provides clear prompts for various expense categories, helping you identify all eligible deductions. Be thorough here. Every dollar in deductions can save you money on your taxes. Finally, it's time to review your entire return. TurboTax will conduct a thorough check for any potential errors or missing information, ensuring everything is accurate. Take your time to double-check all the details, especially your income and expense entries. Once you're confident, you can securely e-file your federal and state tax returns directly through TurboTax. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your Form 1099 Misc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.